as we pass these guys, we're halfway.
How hard it was for them to get
In the River Valley, it's about
Yeah, so we got the front. You can see
We're gonna pick up this guy. You see the guy sitting up on the tower? We're gonna pick him up. This is gonna be fun.
I haven't been on the tower, but I've been on the roof. Yeah, so we are gonna stop. We're gonna pick Clay up off the tower here.
You see him on the tower?
just jumped in.
Was he there for lunch today? Right. That's Clay. He's one of our maintenance guys.
Oh, okay. So he's hanging out?
Yeah, he's greasing all the zerks up here, keeping everything nice and running nice and smooth. So we're gonna stop right on the tower for a minute. He's gonna hook onto us, unhook his harness from the tower, and then now he'll stay out there. If he really wanted to, I could let him in. But we don't like him that much. He'll stay out there.
Look at that, that ladder doesn't even go to the ground.
That's so people don't climb on it. We have there's a sign that says survivors will be prosecuted.